You all know that. The frame cleaned by the basket washer is not only clean, it's efficient. The internal structure of the basket washer, what is it like? And I'd like to introduce you today. Basket washing machine. It is made of 300 for stainless steel. Basket washing machine cleaning room. Movable waterproof doors on both sides. Soft door curtain is used at both ends to enter and exit the basket. Sealed waterproof. Conveying device of basket washer is made of stainless steel chain. Drive the basket forward. The nozzle of the basket washer can be rotated 360 degrees. The nozzle can go up and down, left and right multi-angle jet. Make sure there are no cleaning dead ends. Each section of the basket washer is clean. All are equipped with independent circulating filter water tanks for storing and recycling cleaning water. Automatic discharge of the clean basket. Basket washing machine. Fully automatic cleaning of baskets.